Fresh veggies and herbs combined with minimal prep and a few canned powerhouse ingredients is my secret to the perfect tomato basil soup. One that's easy and quick enough to whip up for family dinners, yet elegant and complex enough for impressing your guests and entertaining. Not only does this soup have amazing flavor, but the texture is absolutely perfect. And it has been known to convert tomato soup haters into tomato soup lovers. This soup 1000% belongs on your must-make list. Here's how you make it. You'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a large pot over medium-high heat. Allow the onion to saute for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring it around until softened. Then you'll add in 2 minced cloves of garlic and saute that for about 1 minute more. Add in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, followed by 1 14-ounce can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes. You'll also add 4 teaspoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of unsalted chicken broth, 1 bay leaf, and about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil. Stir these ingredients together and allow them to simmer uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure that you remove that bay leaf, and then you're gonna puree your soup. You can do this using an immersion blender, a regular blender, or a food processor fitted with a blade attachment. As soon as your soup is pureed and looking really smooth, you'll add in 1 cup of heavy cream and an additional 2 tablespoons of fresh minced basil. Stir and serve your soup as is or alongside the perfect grilled cheese, and enjoy. So love, love, love my broccoli cheese soup. Be sure you check that recipe out next.